Protecting your air conditioner from theft is a serious concern for many homeowners. These units contain valuable copper and other metals, making them a prime target for thieves looking for a quick score. The first and most effective step is creating a physical barrier. An air conditioner cage, made of heavy-gauge steel, is an excellent deterrent. These cages are designed to completely enclose the outdoor condenser unit. They must be securely bolted to the concrete pad and, if possible, to the foundation of your house. Always choose a cage with a high-quality lock that is difficult to cut. Ensure the cage allows for proper airflow so your unit can operate efficiently. Another physical barrier is a sturdy fence around your property with a locked gate. Even a smaller, dedicated fence just for the AC unit can work. Beyond cages and fences, you can secure the unit directly. Use heavy-duty anchor bolts to fasten the condenser firmly to its concrete slab. This makes it much harder for someone to simply lift and carry it away. Also, consider placing a lock on the electrical disconnect box to prevent tampering. Electronic deterrents add another layer of security. Motion-activated floodlights are highly effective. A sudden bright light can startle a thief and expose them, often causing them to flee. Security cameras are also a powerful tool. The mere presence of a visible camera can persuade a criminal to find an easier target. You can use real cameras connected to a recording system or even realistic-looking dummy cameras for a more budget-friendly option. For a more active defense, install an alarm system. Specialized sensors can be attached to the AC unit. If the unit is moved or tampered with, the sensor will trigger your home alarm, alerting you and the authorities. Concealment is another smart strategy. Plant thorny bushes like roses or holly around the unit. This creates a natural, painful barrier that makes it difficult for thieves to get close. Just be sure to leave enough space for airflow and for a technician to perform maintenance. You should also mark your unit. Use an engraver to put your address or a unique serial number on the major components. This makes the parts harder for thieves to sell to scrapyards and can help with recovery if it is stolen. For high-tech protection, consider a small GPS tracking device. You can hide one inside the unit's casing. If the unit is stolen, you can track its location and provide that information to the police. Finally, community awareness is key. Let your trusted neighbors know when you are going on vacation. A watchful neighbor can report suspicious activity. Joining a neighborhood watch program can also significantly reduce crime in your area. Combining several of these methods provides the best protection. A cage, a motion light, and an aware neighbor create a formidable defense. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more home security tips.